Okay, so let's have a look through the book. Which one are we going to do today? Not that one, we've done that one already. Oh, giraffe, right, we're going to try the giraffe. Now the main features with these ones is obviously the long neck and the long legs. You're going to want one balloon, which is either yellow or orange. This one is a 260Q balloon. I'm using Qualatex here, and you're going to want a way better balloon pump than I've got. Give it a bit of a burp and tie the knot, then give it a squidge so that it's going to be easy to twist. You're not going to need that much space on the end because it doesn't take that many twists. Now measure out how long you want the nose. A cute little nose works with this one, and two cute little ears. So twist in the first one and then measure down and carefully twist in the second one. Try not to get your finger stuck in the process. Then what you're going to want to do is measure down the neck. You're going to obviously want a long neck for this because it is a giraffe. So twist down where you want the bottom of the neck to be. Then keeping a hold of it, don't let go or it's all going to come unraveled. Twist where you want the bottom of the first leg to be. Measure it back up and twist it all together to lock it into place. And you've got your front legs, your neck, your head and your ears. Now, measure out how long you want the body to be. You want it to be quite short because they don't have that long a body. So twist where you want the end of the body to be and where you want the start of the back legs. Measure down the back legs so they're roughly the same length as the front ones, and twist, keeping a hold of it at all times. Fold that balloon back up and you're going to want to twist it back into that base to lock it into place. It doesn't really matter how long the tail is, if it's a short little one or if it's a long one, it's going to work for this particular design. The main features with this one obviously being the long neck and the legs.
Some time later.
Now you're going to want a Sharpie, and if you've got a GCSE in art like I have, you can do a really intricate design like this. Otherwise, just make a few markings and it's going to look fabulous. You don't even need to use a Sharpie on this one because the long neck and the colourings obviously show that it's going to be a giraffe and the kid's going to be super happy. But if you want to go the extra mile, make a few markings and it's going to look absolutely fabulous. Now the tail has bits on the end, so I always think it's fun to put those on. And if you want to, if you're rubbish at eyes like I am, you can just do 2 lines and it looks super cute, or it looks half asleep. Either way, it looks really cute. And there you have it, you've got a wonderful giraffe that anyone's going to be super pleased with. Obviously the main features with this one is making sure you have the long neck and the long legs. And there you go, let me know in the comments down below what one you want me to do next, whether or not you want an easy basic one balloon design or whether or not you want a really intricate one. Let me know in the comments down below what I should make next, and don't forget to pick up your copy of my absolutely awful 2-star rated balloon book in the comment section down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.